We've been doing what we've been doing for quite some time now, and we of course appreciate each other's roles within the team. Well, kind of. Well, not always. Which is why, for this vid, we've been set the task of doing each other's jobs. This is DRTV Job Swap. So, we've been given the task of doing each other's jobs. Alambi is doing what I should be doing, presenting, scripting and whatever. Locke, he's out doing basically nothing. He's just calling up people. And I'm doing the video editing and also the cameraman stuff. So basically I've got nothing to do now, apart from clean my keyboards. It's very clean now, so is my mouse. It's very nice. Actually, let me have a look at the gear. Offices are foreign things for Locke, just like food that has potatoes in it. For some reason he thinks that the only thing that people do in office jobs are look at Facebook and mingle with people on Twitter in 140 characters or less.
Oh wow, nice article. Let me share it to Facebook, DigitalRev, Twitter, all of them. It's pretty nice. Like. Maybe put some comments, post a link. Copy and paste the link. Oh wow, I've done a lot of stuff this morning. Lunchtime.
While Employee of the Month was beavering away, I kitted myself out.
Yeah. Oh yes.
Sexy time. This is gorgeous. Why doesn't Locke use it? That is a beast. This can be my weapon. Why have I got a 5D Mark II? Why does he put his 5D Mark III? Cheeky bastards. Zen Master Lambi's doing, well, don't know what she's doing actually.
What should I do first? Find out all the specs. Okay, well, Google, everything's there. Easy. What do I do next? How can I make it interesting though? I just read. No, I can't read out all the specs just like that. Let me watch some videos of how Kai does it. But, oh, his jokes are quite rude and racist all the time. I'm not gonna do that. He's just being sexist and racist and crazy all the time. I can't do the same. I don't want to do the same. Funny, make it funny, try to make it funny. Ha 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 ha.
So what are we doing so far for the video?
We will go to
Because I need to think about the visuals and stuff like that. Okay.
There's a nice restaurant there.
Yeah, a coffee shop as well.
Well, we don't need the environment to be very vivid.
Yeah,
so
I'll just blur the shit out.
It takes the focus away from the product.
Alright, well, up to you. Up to you. Yeah. Time is short, fat and hairy. Will the team be well prepared enough for the shoot?
Okay, so let's do the intro.
Okay, so...
Hang on. Let me go to my things first.
What do I have to say?
Hey?
What do I have to say?
You wrote it. So now, when you balance of this thing, I'm gonna... Hold on. Oh, never mind. Just do the intro.
Alright. Are you rolling yet?
I'm rolling. 3, 2, 1, rolling.
Alright, so...
I'm rolling on the ground like a big fat lady on down the hill.
Don't distract me. I'll forget the line.
Oh.
I forgot it, really.
She's having a... She's like a proper diva. I'm still rolling.
Is it still rolling?
That's what I said, yes.
I'm a bit scared. Oh. All right, so we're gonna review that.
Hang on.
Oh!
Oh, jeez. She's like, I'm a bit scared. Oh, and the S100. Okay, ready? I'm rolling.
All right, so we're gonna review the Canon S100 today, which some of you.
Oh, that doesn't work out. Let me just stand still. I'll just stand still.
So we're gonna review the Canon S100.
Hang on, it's too shaky. Let me. Okay, do it now. Oh, come on, hurry up.
So we're gonna review the Canon.
Let me do 3, 2, 1. Because you're just all over the place. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
So we're gonna review the Canon S100 today.
The balance of this is completely. This is weird.
I knew it. So we're gonna review the Canon S100.
Oh my
I
God!
can't do it now.
Talking and walking is one thing. Walking and holding this bastarding thing is taking the pee. Locke must have to learn how to moonwalk like a mofo to constantly backtrack while filming me. Alright, I'm rolling.
Sunny.
Is there anybody behind me?
No.
Oh, bloody hell, I'm walking too fast.
Oh.
Has to be like F14.
Post. I shouldn't tell you.
Oh Christ.
So this small compact camera has got 12.1 megapixels inside with a 5x optical zoom. Well, it says 5.2 to 26 millimeter there, which means 24 to 120.
Oh shit, let's do that again.
Oh man, that was smooth just now. Oh.
Mosquito assholes, you blood-sucking mother people.
Calm down.
All right, let's.
Calm down.
You know your next line.
All right. 12.
Oh no, change the line.
12.1
Change the line.
megapixel.
I'm bloody rolling.
Okay. So this 12.
I didn't realise that it was so easy for one to forget the lines. Naturally, I was a patient man about it.
Okay.
Let me get up right close.
What did I say before?
Oh, it's come off again.
Oh, can you not use that rig?
I have to use it. It's professional.
Taking longer.
Mosquito.
You're using that to focus.
No, I'm not. It's the zoom.
All right.
Noob.
Oh, I am.
Oh, come on.
Too bad.
I'm rolling.
Oh, I'm a noob.
All right, I'm giving up. I'm giving up.
You pissed off the presenter, that's what happens. So, break, 10 minutes.
Taking that Red Rock Micro out on the street is redonkulous. That way it makes it as comfortable as having a sumo wrestler sit on you while you have a root canal. Alright, maybe not that bad, but I was still not amused.
Hey, what?
Got the shoulders better.
You're gonna kill someone with that.
Wow. Watch out, I'm gonna film you.
Alright.
I'm gonna take a video of you and you're gonna die a horrible
keep
cinematic death at 24p. I have to say, the location was about as inspiring as a Corby trouser press. Okay, I'm rolling.
Okay, so the feel of this camera on... You know this hand?
Oh my god,
you know,
I'm gonna be sick.
You know, this camera fits really nice in my hand, especially it's so blah blah. Sorry.
Yeah, you will be sorry. Yeah. Rolling!
You know,
I think half of the Kowloon sides heard me.
Hey, I said after you said rolling, don't talk because I'm gonna start any time.
Oh. Rolling. Oh, you know.
You talked. I forgot my line. Really.
I'm going home. It's enough. I've had enough. I don't want to do the video anymore. This is disgusting. Well, you're going to take some test shots. It's a camera review, isn't it?
Oh,
Not
yeah.
just reading specs. Well, it doesn't have to be here. There's more mosquitoes here. Oh, no, hang on. I've got to take pictures. I mean, not pictures. Video of you taking pictures.
Oh, so I have to take the picture again. I'll pretend I'm taking.
Yeah, whatever. You know, imaginary world. Nearly done yet?
I think I need to take some more test shots.
We'll just take a few more and let's go. Hang on.
What?
Oh.
Well, I've got the shot already.
Back, fake. Hang on. Get
I'll
back
fake it. Okay.
So there we have it. Possibly the shortest review we've ever made. But work was still not over for me. All work and no play. Back at the studio. Let's edit. Takes a long time to import. Oh, this is boring. Oh, here we go. It's. Oh no. What? We have to generate the thumbnails. That's ridiculous. The thing is, most of this footage is completely useless. Not down to me, of course. Oh god. Let's just. Which is the last take? That must be the best one. Bloody boring this. Unfortunately, there were some other pressing matters to be attended to immediately. That wasn't enough playtime for me, so I went out and I left some of the clips in iMovie in the hope that Locke would see it and edit it for me. Unfortunately, he didn't, and this is what the video looks like.
So we're going to review the Canon S100 today, where one of you have asked for it. Okay, let's go. So this small compact camera has got 12.1 megapixels inside with a 5x optical zoom. So the lens is equivalent to 24 to 120 millimeters. Okay, so this has got a maximum number of edits.
That would do, my back hurts.
You know, this camera feels really nice in your hand, especially if it's small size. Walking or stand here.
Was that part of your line or what?
Are you ready?
I'm rolling.
The noise performance is cleaner than the Nun's. Hang on,
You're holding the script.
100.
I can't zoom out quick enough. Oh.
Yeah.
You want to do that again?
Hi.
Just shut up and do your job.
So this
We do appreciate what each other does, and we're glad that we do what we do and not what the other person does. It works pretty alright as it normally is, and we're glad to have people like you who watch us, because that makes our egos large and produce more videos for you. So we're glad to have everyone just as they are. Oh bloody hell, that was a bit soppy. I'm gonna go dunk some paper now.